Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rashida from my channel Ashita the Related. Friends, today in this video, as you know, different nationality reels has becoming trending over Instagram. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make different video nationality reels without any premium or subscribe and without any watermark. So guys, if you are interested in this video, please do watch till end. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. So guys, first install the free play app. In the home page itself, you can see the For You. So you just need to scroll down. You can see premium videos along with the free templates also. Just you need to scroll down and you will get free templates many. So let me choose this first one. This is a free template. Just click on start making. So we don't need to subscribe for premium version. So go on watch ad. So just watch ad. Later we'll get a free template and just insert your photo, and it takes some few time. Once your video is done, if you click on no watermark, again you need to pay for that. So go on just save. Similarly, I'll search another free template. So here is another free template. So I'm gonna make with this also. So already my photo is there. I'm gonna start make it. Now I'm done with the two videos. And what I do is I'll go to the InShot app and I'm gonna import the two videos which I saved from free play app. So let me choose those videos. As I said you before, without any watermark, so I came to the InShot app. Now what I'll do is, with the help of the tool that is crop, just move the cursor to the crop and just crop the video to hide the free play watermark. So similarly I'll do with the next video also. I just come to this video and I crop the free play watermark. So now you can also increase the speed according to your Instagram reels of 30 seconds. Just save it guys. So here is the final result.